Good evening, everyone. This is Rekha Sinha, your mathematics tutor on Unacademy. This is Unacademy YouTube channel. Unacademy Plus subscription is the best plan for TS and AP EAMCET. Just wait 1 minute. Yeah, so I was saying that Unacademy Plus subscription is the best plan for TS and AP EAMCET 2021 aspirants. For 12-month plan, the charges are 12,375 rupees. For 6-month plan, the charges are 10,125 rupees. And for 1 month plan, the charges are 2,250 rupees. Everyone, those who are watching my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon. For my special classes and previous video, you can check the description box. In YouTube Unacademy Plus subscription, you will get premium content at affordable price, structured live courses, dedicated live doubt clearing sessions, quizzes at regular interval for self-analysis, batches for complete preparation, test series, mock series, and with single subscription you will get unlimited access. You can use the code REKHALIVE to get 10% discount also. So for 2021, if you are writing the exam, EAMCET exam, then Unacademy Plus subscription is the best plan that you can choose for your complete preparation. So from last 4 classes, I am discussing EAMCET 2020 paper. I am solving the questions and all kind of questions I am solving. TS EAMCET 2020 9th September question. For shift 1 I am solving. Today is the part 5. For previous parts you can just check the link in the description box. So this is the today's first question. This question is based on Abhijit, Abhitej is asking, ma'am, for one subject how much? See, just now I explained it is not for one subject. You are supposed to pay 12,375 for 12 months. This is for all the subject, not for one subject. For all your subject, you are supposed to pay just 12,375 rupees. And with single subscription, unlimited access. The meaning of this is you will be able to attend all the live classes by all the best tutor. So all the live classes you will be able to attempt. Okay, I hope your question is clear now. So let me start with today's first question. Yeah, so today's first question is integration we are supposed to do from 0 to pi by 2 x cube sine x dx. So this is definite integral question. Here limits are also given. The options are 3 pi square by 4 minus 3 pi plus 6. Second is 3 pi square by 4 plus 3 pi minus 6. Third option is 3 pi square by 4 plus 6. And the fourth option is 3 pi square by 4 minus 6. So these are the 4 options. Obviously for this kind of question you have to use integration by parts. Today I will explain you a shortcut way to do integration by parts when one of the function is algebraic and another is trigonometric. So how to choose first function in case of integration by parts? This is the code ILATE, ILATE. This will give you the idea which will be your first function. I represent inverse function, L represent logarithmic function, A represent algebraic function, T represent trigonometric function, and E represent exponential function. You can check you have here algebraic and trigonometric function. So whatever letter comes first, that will be your first function, and the another one will be the second function. I hope you know what is the formula for integration by parts. If you don't know, then also it is okay. You can just write the formula now itself. Suppose I am having v dx. U is my first function and v is second function. Then the formula is you keep u as it is, do the integration of second function minus integration, then differentiation of first function, that is u, into integration of second function, that is v, and this complete dx. This is the formula for integration by parts. Now I am going to do the same thing, but I will teach you the shortcut way. Okay, so what is the shortcut way? Whatever the first function we will keep, okay, just write in this way, first function. Okay, so what is the first function in this case? It is x cube. And what is the second function? Sine x. So first function we are going to differentiate. I'm just writing D for differentiation, and second function I will do integration. This is the rule we are going to follow to do this question. So now, what is the differentiation of x cube? That is 3x square. So first, you should not start differentiating this. First, you just write the first function as it is, as the rule says. Keep the first function as it is and do the integration of second function. Now, what is the integration of sine x? The integration of sine x is minus cos x. Okay, because if I differentiate cos x, it will be minus sine x. I will get minus minus plus sine x only. So whenever you get confused what is the integration, you just write the value and do the differentiation. If you are getting the same thing, sine x only, then you have written the correct formula. Now in the next step, again you differentiate x cube, you will get 3x square and do the integration of minus cos x. So we know minus sine as it is, cos x, integration is sine x. So second function we are integrating, that's why I represent, and D represent differentiation. Now next time if I'll differentiate the first function, I'll get 6x. And if one more time I am differentiating it, I'll get 6 only. And what about the integration of minus sine x? If again I'm integrating sine x, I'll get minus cos x. So minus minus, it will become plus cos x. And for the next time, if I am again just integrating cos x, it will be sine x. So after doing till here, till you get the constant term, okay, the last term should be constant, because after that definitely if I'll differentiate one more time, it will become 0. So you have to stop. And then you put the sign like this, plus, minus, plus, minus. Then what will be your integration value? Integration value will be just x cube. Just multiply and do the addition. X cube into minus x cube. Minus cos x. So minus x cube cos x. Here again, if I am multiplying, here minus sign, here also minus sign. So this will become plus 3x square sin x. And here if I am just multiplying and adding, I'll get plus 6x cos x. And here minus sign, so minus 6 sin x. But here the limits are given. So let me apply the limits also. What is the limit here? 0 to pi by 2. So after doing till here, you just substitute the limits now, you will get your answer. So if I am putting pi by 2, we know cos pi by 2 is 0. So my first term, if I am substituting the upper limit, my first term will become 0 because cos pi by 2 is 0. So simply you write 0 plus sin pi by 2 is 1. So I'll write 3 in place of x, pi by 2 whole square. Again here we have cos, so this will become 0. Here again we have sine, so sin pi by 2 is 1, so I'll get minus 6. This is for upper limit, and then minus lower limit. If I am putting x equal to 0, my all terms will become 0. 0 into something will be 0 plus 0 plus 0, and here sine 0 is also 0 only. So what is the answer we are getting for this particular question? Okay, so 3 pi square by 4 minus 6. This is the answer. Which option is the correct one? 3 pi square by 4 minus 6. 3 pi square, 3 pi square by 4 minus 6 means fourth option is the correct one. I hope it is clear. Okay, so this was the first question for today's class. So this question is very easy if you will apply this shortcut trick. Okay, otherwise also you have to do the integration by parts. 1, 2, 3, 4 times you have to do the integration by parts, and then also you will get the same answer. But in this way, if you are doing, mistakes will be less. That's why I explained the question in this way. I hope it is clear. Let's go to the next question. What is the next question here we have? This is the second question for today's class. If in equal to integration x power n sin x dx and I6 minus 360 I2 is equal to f of x cos x plus g of x sin x, then what is f of 1 plus g of 1? Whether it is minus 85, it is 0, minus 52 or 75. These are the 4 options. So in this case also definitely I am going to use the integration by parts. So just now whatever I explained in the first question, same thing you are supposed to do. But obviously this question is more bigger than the last question. Here we were having only one term, so we have just done the integration by parts. But in this case, first I'll calculate what is my I6. So I6, if I'll say it is nothing but n equal to 6, I'll get integration x power 6 sin x dx. Now as you can see here also we have algebraic function, trigonometric function. So algebraic function will be the first function, trigonometric function will be the second function. After that we have to apply the integration by parts. So I told you just now what is the method of doing integration by parts. You just write in this way. The first function you will do differentiation and the second function you will do integration. Okay, so first function keep as it is, x power 6. What is the integration of sin x? That is minus cos x. Once I'll calculate I6, I will try to calculate I2 also. And we will multiply by 360, do the subtraction. Then I will get my f of x and g of x function. And then we can calculate f1 plus g of n. This is the only one way to do this question. Okay, now differentiation of x power 6. 6x power 5. Again integration of minus cos x minus sin x. Differentiation of 6x power 5, that is 30x power 4. Here integration we have to do, minus sin x integration, it will become plus cos x. 120 x cube. Okay, the first function I'm just differentiating and second function I'm integrating. Cos x integration sin x, then again 360 x square. Here I'll get minus cos x and two more term will come definitely. 720x integration of minus cos x, that will be minus sin x. One more term we are supposed to write, that I am writing down. So differentiation of 720x, that will be 720 and integration of minus sin x. So that will be cos x. So again put the sign plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, and this one will be plus only. And write down what is your I6. With the help of this, we can just write I6 value. So what will be I6? Just multiply and add with the proper sign. My sign also you have to multiply. So here plus sign. So I'm getting minus x power 6 cos x. Here's minus minus, so it will become plus 6x power 5 sin x. Here plus, both are plus, so plus 30x power 4 cos x. Here again minus plus, so minus 120 x cube sin x. If you are doing the integration by parts, how many times? 1, 2, 3. So it is almost 7 times you are supposed to do the integration by parts. And in that case, definitely you are going to do the mistakes. That's why this is the shortcut way to do. Plus here we have minus sign. So minus 360 x square cos x minus minus. So it will become plus 720 x sin x. And here plus. So plus 720 cos x. Okay, this is 2 only, 720. Okay, so this is just I6. We are supposed to do I6 minus 360 I2. So let me calculate I2 also. What is the meaning of I2? Means n equal to 2. Means x square sin x. For this also we can use the shortcut method here. Okay, so what will be the shortcut method? Again, your first function is x square, second function is sin x. So differentiation of first function, integration of second function. So second function, first you keep the first function as it is and do the integration of second function. So what is the integration of sin x? Definitely it will be minus cos x. Now differentiation of x square 2x. Here integration of minus cos x minus sin x. Again differentiation of 2x 2 and integration of minus sin x, that is cos x. So what will be I2 will be, definitely you just multiply and write the terms minus x square cos x. Here also, okay, plus then minus and plus. This also we have to write, okay, don't forget. So here plus minus, so it will be plus term only, minus minus, so it will become plus 2x sin x, and this will be again plus 2 cos x. So this is my I2. If I am multiplying I2 by 360 I2 we have to do. So this one you just, this I6 you give as equation 1. And here I am just going to write 360 I2. So what I will get? I have to multiply 360 x square cos x plus 360 2 means 720 x sin x and plus 2 into 360, that is 720 cos x. So this you give as second equation. Now we are supposed to do I6 minus 360 I2. That is nothing but 1 minus 2. That will only give you I6 minus 360 I2. So just check the terms now. In equation 1, all the terms are okay. Here, just start seeing from here. Minus 360 x square cos x. Do we have here also? Minus 360 x square cos x. So this will get cancelled with the first term. Both are having same sign. I am doing subtraction. 720x sin x, 720x sin x, both are having plus sign. So I can cancel this also. 720 cos x. Here also plus 720 cos x. So whatever the remaining thing that we are supposed to write. Okay. So I'm just writing for you people. Just check it out. What I'm getting. This is nothing but minus x power 6 cos x plus 6x power 5 sin x plus 30 x power 4 cos x minus 120 x cube sin x. Okay, till here only we will get 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. You can check it out. 1, 2, 3, 4 terms, and remaining all got deleted. Okay, so same thing I have written here. Now here I have to collect the cos term together. So what is the coefficient of cos x? Minus x cube x power 6, and here plus 30 x power 4. This is cos x term, and for sin x also you take these two together. So you will get plus 6x power 5 minus 120 x cube sin x. So when I am comparing this in the given question, check it out. Here this is equal to f of x cos x plus g of x sin x. So whatever the coefficient of cos x, that will be your f of x, and the coefficient of sin x will be g of x. Then I got my f of x and g of x function. So f of x is nothing but the coefficient of cos x, that is minus x power 6 plus 30 x power 4, and g of x is nothing but 6x power 5 minus 120 x cube. Now they are asking calculate f1 plus g of 1. That will give you the answer, the final answer. So if I am putting here 1, what I am getting? Minus 1 plus 30. Then g of 1, 6 minus 120. So this will give you the answer. This is coming as minus 121 plus 36 minus 85. So see, such a long question, but the method is not at all difficult one that you can do. So minus 85 is the answer. That is the first one. See, question is very big, but here I am explaining also, so it is taking much time. But once you understand the method, it is very easy to do. Okay, so just do all these questions in this way and try to utilize this concept for integration by parts. This will help you a lot. I hope it is clear. Okay, so now let me move to the next question. Yeah, this is also again a big question. This is the third question. So here we have integration 1 minus cot x whole power 2019 divided by tan x plus cot x whole power 2020 dx, and this is equated with 1 by n log f of x whole power n plus g of x whole power n plus c. Then they are asking the value of n into f of x whole power 4 plus g of x whole power 4 at x equal to pi by 3. What will be the value? So these are the options. This question is no doubt also very big question only. But as you can see, this is this year question paper only. So you should be ready. Okay, you should be ready to do all the big questions also. Don't get scared and don't hide yourself from the big questions. So here, how I'm going to do, just check it out. Here first I'll take the integration 1 minus cot x whole power 219 divided by tan x plus cot x power 2020 dx. This I am going to solve, and after solving this integration I will get my n value and my f of x also and g of x also. Okay, so we are supposed to just do the integration of this. How I am doing, just check. I am just converting everything in terms of sine and cos. So cot x I will just write as cos x by sin x, and then I will take the LCM also. The two thing I am doing at the same time. So if I am writing cot x as cos x by sin x and taking the LCM also, what I will get? Sin x whole power 219 minus cos x whole power 219 divided by sin x whole power 219. This is just the numerator. Okay, and denominator also we are supposed to do. In denominator also I will do the same thing. I will convert everything in terms of sine and cos. Here I am writing sin x by cos, and this one cos x by sin x. So when I am taking the LCM, what will be the LCM? Let me do here only. In the denominator only. So it will be sin x. Sorry. First I will get here cos x into, here I will get sin x whole power 2020. And when I am taking LCM this thing, here I am already having sin x into this. So what term I will get? Let me just write here. So you will get sin x whole power 2021 plus cos x whole power 2021 dx. So you can check what is getting cancelled, that you cancel first. So this term is completely cancelled. By this sin x only I will get, and then I am going to write this term as sin x whole power 2019 minus cos x whole power 2019 into sin x cos x dx divided by sin x power 2021 plus cos x power 2021. After this, one substitution we need to do. What will be substitution? This denominator term you are supposed to take as t and do the differentiation. And you will see what you are getting if I am just taking sin x whole power 2021 plus cos x whole power 2021 as t. And this is the substitution I am doing. Okay, so let this is t. Now do the differentiation of this complete thing and see what you are getting. If I am differentiating the first term, I'll get 2021 sin x power 2021 minus 1, that is 2020, into sin x differentiation, that is cos x. Here I'll get plus again 2021 cos x power 2020, one power will subtract, okay, into cos x differentiation, that is minus sin x. Okay, and this whole thing dx, which is equal to dt. Now you just solve this little more, one more step. You just take common, whatever common thing we have, 2021, this number is common, into sin x into cos x. This is also common. So if I am taking this common, what I am getting? Sin x power 2019, and here this sign will become minus cos x power 2019 dx is equal to dt. Now you can check your integration. In integration we have this complete thing. Just check it out. This numerator is nothing but the same that we are getting here. Okay, only 2021 is not there, that I will take to the right hand side. So in place of this complete thing, I can just write dt by 2021. So my integration will come as integration dt by 2021 into what we have considered as t. So this numerator, so this denominator we have considered as t. So this t also we are supposed to write here t. And this is nothing but 1 by 2021 log t. Now we can compare with the given equation in the question. 1 by n log, and we know what is t. T is nothing but, let me just write t also. From here you just check, t is sin x power 2021. So this is 1 by 2021 log, in place of t you just write sin power 2021 x plus cos x cos power 2021 x. So when we are comparing the given equation, what I am getting, n is 2021, and what is my f of x and g of x? F of x is simply sin x. Okay, f of x is sin x, and what is my g of x? Okay, f of x and g of x both we are supposed to write. Yeah, g of x is cos x and g of x is cos x. So once we got this, we can calculate what they are asking to calculate in the question. F of x power 4, g of x power 4 into n at x equal to pi by 3. So just put x equal to pi by 3 in this term, you will get your answer. So I will just write, therefore n is 2021 f of x, that is sin x whole power 4 plus cos x whole power 4 and x equal to pi by 3. This only they are asking to calculate. So this will be nothing but 2021, and this sin pi by 3. Sin pi by 3 is how much? We know it is sin pi by 3 means sin 60. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2 whole power 4 plus cos pi by 3. Cos 60 is 1 by 2 So you just solve this value, you will get the answer. So this is coming 20, 21. 9 by 16 plus 1 by 16. So this is nothing but 20, 21 into 10 by 16. So when you solve this, you will get 10105 divided by 8. 10105 divided by 8. So which option? 10105 divided by 8. Fourth option. Fourth option is the correct one. So in this way, it is very easy to do all this kind of question. If once you have done any question, the method, the shortcut way, everything is coming in your mind, that you should keep safe in your mind. While writing in the exam, again you can just utilize those trick, the substitution, how we have done in this question. Just once or twice also, if you are doing any big question, that is going to help you a lot. Okay, so now I have to stop my class. It's already 7:36. Okay, the class is still 7:30 only. Since I was doing the question, I have stopped. So for complete preparation, okay, for all the topics, you have to take Unacademy Plus subscription. Then only your preparation will be complete. So my suggestion, you take now. This is the right time if you are writing in 2021. Okay. So thank you very much for attending my class. Thank you. See you next time. Next class is on hyperbolic function. The detail about the next class also you can check in description box. That is day after tomorrow. New topic is there. That also you can just attend. Okay. Thank you very much. Bye. Good night.